Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to rearrange equations that are in slope point form into other forms. So let's take a look at this first line here. Now here's a line with a slope of 2/3 and it passes through the point -6, -6 and +2. So I recognize, my line goes through this point, has a slope of 2/3, but let's see if I can rearrange this into a different form. Like, what if I wanted to put it, say, into slope-intercept form? Okay, well, slope-intercept form looks like this. It's y equals, then I have the slope times x, and then a y-intercept. So that's what we're shooting for on this one. So let's start off. I'm going to add 2 to the other side. Okay, so there's going to be a +2 over here. And at the same time, I need to get rid of these brackets. I'm going to distribute this 2/3 into the brackets. So I'm going to get 2/3 times x. And I'm going to get 2/3 times 6, and it's positive. Now, 2/3 times 6 is going to be like 2 times 6, or 12, over 3. And so this actually just turns into a +4. So in slope-intercept form, there isn't much more to do here. All I got to do is take the +4 and the +2, put it together, and that's +6. So there it is in slope-intercept form. Now suppose I wanted to keep going and I wanted to put it into general form. Now general form looks like this. You have a number in front of x, and remember that number has to be positive, and then some number in front of y, could be negative, could be positive, and then plus or minus some other number equals 0. And remember, none of these numbers can be fractions. So if we were to keep going here and I want to put it in general form, what would I do? Well, okay, first of all, let's put a little separator there. I would multiply everything by 3 to get rid of the fraction, because we're not allowed fractions in general form. So we'd go 3 times y, so that's 3y. Then I'd go 3 times 2 divided by 3 times x. So the 3's would cancel, and I would just have 2 times x. And then 3 times that, 6. That would be 18. Now I can see the number in front of x is positive, which I really like. So I'm just going to minus the 3y over to the other side. So this becomes minus 3y. And then I still have this plus 18. And we could have equals 0 on the left side, but it's more common to flip that over and write it on the right side. So here it is in general form. So we got 2 answers here. One is we've rearranged it into slope-intercept form, and down here into general form. And that's all there is to it, a little bit of rearranging. You can very easily get it into these other forms. All right, that might actually be a great place to stop, and we'll catch you later.